Hello my lovely people, welcome to Zinat Kitchen. I hope and pray that you are all well and safe. Today it's a new recipe of octopus Vindaye. So if you would like to follow me, I will show you the ingredients and how to make it. And this is up to you whether you want to put a lot of vinegar or chili. And this is how I like mine, with plenty of chili but not too much vinegar. So I'm just going to show you how to clean the octopus and how we proceed with the Vindaye. Okay, see you in a bit then. Hi everyone. Here you have got a very big octopus, big leg. I will just show you how to clean it. I don't remember if I have showed you before, but I am just going to show you quickly. I am not an expert as well, but I remember my mom used to clean it. I remember seeing her how she was doing it. So I will try to just rewind my cassette and just picture in my mind how my late mom used to do it, so you can have an idea as well. This is it's a frozen octopus. I got it from a Bangladeshi shop where they sell all frozen fish. So I got it there, but the leg, or very big leg, it's very good, thick one. I have to remove this. This has to be out. Okay, goes there. And here as well, there is something here I have to remove. There we are. This and this head here, I have to take this bit out where the eyes are. I throw this, and then the rest is okay. Just I have to clean a bit inside here if there's anything to take off. I don't think so, just that bit probably. Wow, that's it, all done. Now what I will do is I have to just sprinkle salt over it. I will rub it well with salt, and then I will wash it. This is how I remember my mom used to do it. I know a lot of people don't eat it, but we Mauritian people, we love seafood. Here I have rubbed it well with the salt. Now I am going to just wash it, and then I will get back to you. Then we'll proceed with the rest of the steps. I'm just going to run this like that, so it will not be elasticated. I am using only 3 legs. They are big. And like I always say, I have a small family, so 3 legs will be fine for us. Here we are, my lovely people. All my ingredients. I have some green chili, some oil, about 5-6 tablespoons, a big head of garlic chopped into half, and here I have 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. I have 2 medium-sized onions cut into big chunks. Here I have 4 tablespoonfuls of vinegar, and here I have some curry leaves, some onion chopped into small pieces, ginger and garlic paste 1 teaspoonful, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. And here is the octopus, only 3 legs I am using, so you know that when we boil it, it changes color. So some people don't know that when we boil octopus, it changes color, it becomes red, especially the youngsters and newbies. Now what I will do, I'm going to cut it and then I'll get back to you. Here I will put some vinegar here to let the onion soak in vinegar and the garlic together as well. Let them marinate well in that vinegar. I will not put chili because salt, because I have already put salt when I boiled the octopus. So I'll leave this to marinate. Here I have put a little bit of turmeric in the octopus. I have cut it into small pieces. I put a bit of turmeric and I leave it to soak. I'm not putting anything like vinegar, salt, all that, only turmeric. And the octopus is nice and soft. I have already boiled and thrown the water, so it should be okay now. Here I'm just putting the oil now. And let me set the olive. A bit of water. So I'm just putting the mustard now. I put the octopus together with the garlic. 1 second. Let the octopus simmer a bit in the spices, and then I will put the onion and green chili, and then the coriander. It's up to you, it's optional, but if you have it, it's good because it gives you a nice flavor. Whenever I have coriander, I put in all my food whenever it is available. I am going to add the onion now, because I don't like it too soft, the onion. I like a bit of crunch. Okay, that's about it. Then my green chili will come. It's very quick. Preparation is longer than cooking. Remember, there is salt as well. Okay, let me put that. it's done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Zinat's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next episode, which is another exciting recipes. Thank you very much. Bon appetit.